Hey, y'all, come on in the kitchen because I'm doing an experiment. It was just one that I thought the other night, this had come in a gift basket or something. And it just looks so good. Maybe I bought it. Hazelnut milk chocolate. So I thought, I bet that'd be good in puff pastry. Well, we accidentally bought Phyllo pastry. So I said, well, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try using Phyllo. So I think I got like 3 sheets of Phyllo, and I buttered each one of them. And then I'm just going to do it like I'm wrapping up a Christmas present. Put a little bit more butter in there. Takes a lot of butter for phyllo dough. All right, so now, and this is an experiment because I got my puff pastry out of the freezer. So I thought since we've already, got this together, let's just try the phyllo and see what happens. I think it's going to be a wonderful little chocolate and chocolate dessert. So before I share this with y'all, I wanna try it myself because I don't want to share something with you that doesn't work. All right, so I'm using the egg to that one didn't work out quite right, but that's all right. That will do. Let's see if there's because of the nuts, it's all right. So I've got that buttered. So here we go. Use a little egg to get that to stick together. I'm not a phyllo dough lover. I don't think I have the patience maybe for it. All right, so here we go. Now that was 3 sheets. That was 3 sheets of phyllo pastry. I don't want to stick this back in the butter. All right. So there we go. We got 2 we can try. And if those work out, then we can go with it. But I kind of think puff pastry would be the better pastry. So we'll see. Okay. Here goes our experiment. And I'm going to keep a close eye. That phyllo dough, it looks like almost like paper. It's so thin. I'm going to make sure that's stuck a little bit better right there. So I'm going to keep a close eye on this because I don't want our chocolate to run out and run everywhere, on our skillet. So maybe here goes nothing, but it may be something. Y'all ready to see what we got? Or what we ain't got? But look, that looks delicious, y'all. And ouch! Ooh, and that handle is so hot. The man that made this skillet for me is going to be a guest on one of my shows. When?
His still view in April, but he's coming here in March.
Oh, good. I can't wait to meet him in person because his cookware that he makes is really, really good stuff. All right, I'm going to just drain that. Let that drain on. Oh, I hear it crunchy crunch. You know what? Now, you could dust them with a little powdered sugar, to just kind of dress them up. But I think this might be a winner. In fact, the phyllo may work better than the puff. I don't know. So I want to bite into this so bad. And though both of these turkeys that I work with gave up sugar for Lent. Oh, well, somebody's got to eat it. But they can't help me. I was just scared the chocolate. Oh, gosh, I love the sound of that crisp. This might be a good mistake, Teresa. It's a little fragile, though, working with.
I wouldn't bite into it. I would cut a piece.
You would? Yeah. Well, since you can't have sweets, I'm not going to worry about what you do.
All right, well,
because I'm going to bite into it.
You're going to see chocolate go all over the place.
Well, I think if I cut it, I'd see chocolate go all over the place, too. And if it goes anywhere, I'd rather it go in here. So, but that's just me. You're much neater than me.
I hear the crunch all the way over here.
Yeah. It's good. It's really.
Probably go as thick on the sheets as you want.
Yeah. But I think 3, come over here and look, Teresa. I think 3 is the perfect amount of thickness, old lady.
Oh, yeah.
Your bone certain.
Perfect.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish you could taste
Is
it.
that better than the puff pastry?
Well, we'd have to do the puff pastry first. But you know what?
It won't take out what
Phyllo is, Phyllo is not sweet. So this definitely needs to be dusted with powdered sugar. Because, you know, chocolate, real chocolate is not that sweet to me. But I do love the crispiness that the phyllo gives it. So, right there, those nuts. And I'm sure this comes in all different kind of flavors. In fact, you could just use milk chocolate and then sprinkle on the milk chocolate, whatever you want. So since this worked, we'll do puff pastry next time and compare the two. But it's going to be hard to beat. But I am going to get a little powdered sugar for the top. And listen, I'm so glad y'all joined me for this experiment because it gives us all a little time to come up with something that seems real special at the last minute. Just to put on the table and share with people. It's good. Love and best dishes. I know I'd already signed off, but I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like with with a powdered sugar on it. It looks beautiful. Looks like you've worked your tail off to make them, and you hadn't. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.